It's a bird. No, it's a plane.
Hey, that's not a bird.
It's a plane.
That's not a plane. I'm a gargoyle. You're not. You're
The flying dinosaur.
Hey, that's not a dinosaur. I am too a dinosaur. Bullshit you are. You're a dirty iguana. That's what you are. I'm a gargoyle. You're not a gargoyle. You're a dirty iguana too. I am a gargoyle. You are not a gargoyle. You are a dirty flying rat.
I am a gargoyle.
Yeah, right. You're like a hamster, buddy. A hamster with wings.
You are not even a real dinosaur.
Yeah, you're right. I'm like 20% frog.
This is my amber scale Jurassic Park 3 Birdcage. I'll just give you a brief rundown of how I made it and the materials used.
Maybe you want to make your own birdcage.
Trying to figure out a good color to make it show up because the mesh doesn't read very well. I think that might be, that's probably the best. I have a tutorial already on this page. It shows you how to build a chain link fence.
Gotta go.
Basically, it's 2 pieces of chain link fence with some extra side posts and some broken off kind of ones in here, you can see. And the top is half sections of the fence. So it's 3 kind of half built ones all kind of put together. And then you just, I don't know the built out of popsicle sticks, wood, bottoms all square wooden dowels, bases all just wooden dowels, square ones, round ones, some larger popsicle sticks on the bottom. This top is this is just from like a dollar store organizational rack that I cut out of it, and this is again just little half sections of the fence, and this is just a little custom side broken piece coming off here, just hanging off.
Hey, that's not a bird.
Billy Brandon.
That's not a plane.
Billy Brandon.
That's not a plane.